Hey, this is the Guitar Hero fan 811, and my dog Tula, what she's barking at is her ball, and I'm going to throw it in the pool over there. So she jumps in it, and she gets out through the ladder. So here we go. Now let's see if she uses the ladder. No. She's a little lazy bones. Let's see one more time. Drop, drop. Tula, drop it. Drop it. Good girl. Okay. And here she goes. She's going to come out through the ladder this time. Alright, one more throw, and then I'll end this video. Alright, drop it. Okay, last throw. Let's make this a good one, Tula. Wow, she jumps really, really far. Alright, that's about it. Let's close it out with Tula. Oh, there she is. Alright, rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.